Lots of breaking news surrounding the outbreak. The state's top health official you saw right there telling us that it is impossible at this point to know exactly how many people are infected with the coronavirus here in Arizona. That's Dr. Kara Kriss, and she tells us as the number of confirmed cases holds steady at 6, but the number of pending cases have now jumped to 27. With the latest on this situation, we go now to our political editor, Dennis Welch. He joins us live just outside of the Arizona Department of Health Services headquarters. That's over near the state capitol. There's a real conundrum involving these test kits, Dennis.
Yeah, and right now we don't really have a real sense of the size or scope of this virus here in Arizona. And the reason for that is really two reasons. We just don't have the resources, the capacity for that kind of testing. And the other reason is just the very limited number of people who are actually eligible to get tested for the coronavirus.
It's not about the mildly ill person with an office job that I'm concerned about.
Will Humble, the former director of Arizona's Department of Health Services.
It's the mildly symptomatic person who works at a nursing home or an assisted living center that's not able to get tested.
Those who are mildly ill are not eligible for coronavirus testing, putting the people they work with at risk, according to Humble. Currently, only those who've traveled to an affected area and show symptoms of the coronavirus and those who have been hospitalized and tested negative for the flu are eligible for testing.
Someone works in an assisted facility, skilled facility, intensive care facility, has mild symptoms. They're not getting tested.
They are not getting tested at this time.
Right now, Arizona has enough kits at its disposal to test 225 samples. That is down from last week when the number was 300. More than one kit can be needed for a single patient. And Dr. Kara Kriss says she expects another shipment of kits any day now. She also expects other organizations like TGen to step in and start testing soon.
At this point, we don't have any concerns that we're going to outdo what we have. The CDC has been pretty responsive.
Now, at this point, it is worth mentioning that health officials say that 80% of the coronavirus cases, people who catch that, will be experiencing only mild symptoms. So right now, health officials still, asking for people to do the basics. Wash their hands, disinfect places that are touched frequently, and just don't go to work if you're feeling ill. Reporting live here in Phoenix, Dennis Welch, Arizona's Family.